Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 659, and today's topic is the medicinal properties and uses of colocynth. Colocynth is commonly known as bitter apple and it is a type of herb, and this herb belongs to Cucurbiaceae family, and it is climbing with the help of trenlil. It is a creeping herb, and the fruit is round shape just like apple, but it is having little bit bitter taste. It is rich in resin, and actually the pulp of this fruit is dehydrated, and after once it is dried, it is used. And in India, this fruit is used just to eat it. It is edible, and also they prepare the vegetable. It is rich in different type of glycosides, and these glycosides are called bitter glycosides. And this is the resin, is we can say drastic purgative, and it is widely used as a anti viral, and then it is also used pesticide, insecticide, and also it is used to check the growth of tumor. People are saying that these bitter glycosides, this bitter one is cucurbitacin A and cucurbitacin I. They are also called elatrine. So these glycosides, they are very effective just to stop the growth of tumor. But in India, it is widely used as a purgative, and those who are suffering from constipation or some stool movement, means bowel movement, in that condition it is given. So these are the main glycosides, and actually this glycoside is having 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is tetracyclic terpene, and at this hydroxy position, this is actually a glycone. Once sugar is attached, then it is in the form of glycoside, and the name of this glycoside is cucurbitacin. So cucurbitacin E, and also the other name of cucurbitacin E is elatrine. Either they call it elatrine or cucurbitacin. And the second one is where in place of OCH3CO there is hydroxy group. This is the only change, otherwise rest of those are similar. And here this one is called cucurbitacin I, and it is also called elatrine B. So these two glycosides, tetracyclic terpene glycoside is a very effective, which is anti-cancerous. It can stop the growth of tumor. Actually, what the pharmacology they are reporting, that it will kill the tumor cells, and in this way the growth is checked, and it is drastic purgative and carbonative property it is having. So it is mainly used for these two purposes, and at the same time it is also used as insecticide and pesticide. And the other one here is also there, that is called citrulline, and this citrulline is also important compound, and your resin contains 1% fat, but the seed contains 16% free fat. And the resin is soluble in organic solvents like chloroform and ether. So, colocyanth, which is known as bitter apple, and it belongs to family Cucurbiaceae, and its botanical name is Citrullus colocyanthus. Number one, the member of this family, Cucurbiaceae, are generally dioecious herbs. Dioecious herbs means either male or female creeping, and which may be prostate or climbing by means of tendrils. Fruit is fleshy and is called bitter apple. The fruits are generally used in India as vegetables and also as a edible fruit. Colocyanth consists resin, and it is the dried pulp of the fruit. Actually, the whole pulp of the fruit is used as a colocyanth resin, and it is dried pulp of the fruit. The resin is soluble in ether and chloroform, and it is insoluble in water and chloroform. But that resin, once these bitter glycosides, once they are in the form of glycosides, they are water soluble. Like that is cucurbitacin cucurbitacin E and cucurbitacin I. Once they are in the form of glycoside, they are soluble in water. And the aglycones, they are tetracyclic terpenes, and they are not soluble in water. They are only soluble in ether or in chloroform. And it is responsible for purgative or laxative activity of the drug. The colocyanth resin contains glycosides of the elaterine or cucurbitacin E or elaterine B or cucurbitacin I. And these structures I have already given, and I have already explained these two. Elaterine, either you call them elaterine or you call them cucurbitacin I and cucurbitacin E. And it also contains citrulline, dihydroxyalcohol, and about 1% fixed oil, and the seed contains about 17% fixed oil. Number 3, it is drastic purgative, laxative, and it is irritating both intestines. And colocyanth resin is used as an insecticide and antiviral and pesticide. And cucurbitacin has tumor necrosing property. Tumor necrosing property means it can kill the cells of living cells of tumor, and that killing of tumor cells is called necrosing property. So it can destroy or damage the tumor cells. This is very important property. That's why it is treated as anti-cancerous, because it can destroy the unusual growth of abnormal cells in the form of tumors. Cucurbitacin is bitter glycosides, and they are tetracyclic terpenes. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.